So I've demoed a bunch of different types of these couches in the box, and overall I do think this one is my favorite, and it's for a couple reasons. First, it comes fully assembled for you, so all you have to do is basically just slide the pieces into place, and you're going to have this thing put together. It took me about 20 minutes. I did most of it by myself. There is that one point when you put on the back of it. If you do have somebody to help you, it's going to make it a lot easier, but you could probably assemble the whole thing by yourself. But what I like about this couch is, yeah, it's got some nice foam on it, but it's not completely foam. So it's wood frame all the way through, so it's going to hold up for you for years to come. They do give you 2 throw pillows as well. But overall, I love the look of this. And another great thing is on the back side, like I said, I've demoed a bunch of these. Usually on the back side, it doesn't have the same type of pattern or material, but this is the same type of couch all the way through, so it really does give you that high-end luxury look. And in terms of how does it sit or feel, I'm 6 feet tall, 200 pounds. I can lay down on it, stretch all the way out to watch TV, and I am good to go. And in terms of, is this actually a 3-seater? As you can see here, you can fit 2 more people on this couch, and it is that full 3-seater. So overall, I'm super happy with this couch. It is a great buy. It was easy to put together, comfortable, nice plush cushions to it. I give it 2 thumbs up.